We have a new remote control smart pet. It is a robot dog by Leoking, and it's really amazing. It's for ages 6 and up, but younger children can enjoy playing with this pet as long as they're supervised by an adult. This is the box that he comes in, and he also has a manual to tell you everything about the remote control that also comes with him and his basic features. So I'm going to show you a closer look at this remote. Alright, so as you can tell, there are so many buttons on this remote, but each button does have its purpose. You have a right forward and a left forward, you have a forward and back, and a right back and a left back button. So you can move him in just about any direction that you please. He can sing, he can dance, and he can crawl. He can also stand, show, study, croquet, and fart. So let's turn him on and show you what he can do.
Hi, kid. Nice to meet you. Let's play together.
Alright, so he's gonna dance now.
Woohoo! Let me show you a cool dance. Nobody but you. Nobody but you.
I'm going to move him forward a little bit. Alright, you can charge the robot dog with a USB cord that plugs into his butt. And the remote control takes 2 AA batteries. He has skid-resistant rubber wheels, and he is very easy to pick up. And I'm going to turn him on and show you that he has LED eyes that can display numbers and letters.
Hi, kid. Nice to meet you. Let's play together.
I know. Yeah. Now he can also crawl too. Can also sing as well.
Woohoo! Let me show you a cool dance. Nobody but you. Nobody. Let me sing a song for you. There was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name.
He has lots and lots of buttons to have you take him anywhere you want. Looks like he's begging right there. And as you can tell, his eyes do change when you press different buttons.
Come and play with me. Hi, kid.
Now, if you push the study button, he gives you your ABCs.
Hey, kid. Let's study numbers. Please look at my eyes.
Or your numbers.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright, so he's going to show you your letters now.
Hi, kid. Let's study letters. Please look at my eyes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now you know your ABC. Everybody sing with me. Come and play with me. Hey, kid, let's study numbers. Please look at my eyes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come and play with me.
Now, this remote offers so many opportunities for you to play with. You can do so many things.
Why?
You can move him in any type of direction. Oh, and he farted. You can move him in any type of direction. And basically have all the fun that you want. And as you can tell, he is very, very needy and is ready for anyone to play with him. Please make sure you check the description section below for more information on the Leoking robot dog or smart pet.
Why no one plays with me? Where did you go?
Oh no.